Hey everyone! Today we're comparing two popular code editors, Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code or VS Code. In 2025, we'll explain each one, compare them, and help you pick the best for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, Sublime Text. It's a super fast, lightweight editor loved for its speed and simplicity. It opens files quickly, even big ones, and has a clean, distraction-free interface. Features like Go to Anything let you jump to files or code with just a few keystrokes. It supports tons of programming languages and has a solid plugin system for extra tools. You can try it free, but a license costs $99. It's great for quick edits or projects where speed matters most. Now, VS Code. It's free, open source, and packed with features. Built by Microsoft, it runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. VS Code shines with built-in tools like IntelliSense for smart code suggestions, debugging, and Git integration for version control. Its marketplace has thousands of extensions, so you can customize it for almost any language or task. It's a bit heavier than Sublime, but super versatile for all kinds of coding. So how do they stack up? Sublime Text is faster and lighter, perfect for quick edits or simple projects. VS Code is more feature-rich with better debugging and extension support, ideal for complex or team-based work. Sublime's paid, while VS Code is free. If you're a solo coder who values speed, go Sublime. For big projects or web development, VS Code's your pick. That's it. Check our comparison chart below to see the differences. Which one's your favorite? Let us know, and happy coding. Like and subscribe for more videos.